Okay, so here's a drone, a smartphone which has a USB Type-C plug here and a receiver, 5.8 GHz UVC receiver. It looks like this. Okay, so it needs an adapter because it has micro USB here, and this one is from USB Type-C to micro USB. So I have to plug in this one. Okay, the drone is already transmitting video from that camera through the video transmitter antenna. Okay, and plug in this cable. The phone automatically starts a program which is called Go FPV. Go FPV. It's an Android phone. Okay, press that play button. It says that UVC camera is detected. Select OK, and voila. That's my hand in front of the camera of the drone. So you can use your smartphone and a UVC receiver also to view the video from a drone.